Suppose you're reading for static website or dynamic website. First of all, you more focused by the self earnings. You more focused by the self earnings. The self earning dependent by the two options. One is called ad. Second will be strictly ads. But any ad will be browsing your option. Browse your option. Ad will be standard. Nothing will be changed. When browsing, ad will be standard. I'll show you how will be showing for strictly ad. There will be total will be coming to nothing but any people are browsing your total website, the ad will showing for constantly. See this one. So I'm browsing here. So the ad will be standard. It will be fixed. How to create this type of ads? How to create this type of ad? This will be you can selecting by the mobile version and desktop version. Both are eligible. That is called you can generating for particular one code. This is a total code. And what are the Google AdSense code entered by in this option? The code will be copied by particular three option in feed, in article, text and image ad. So first of all, I'm activate for the my static website by using footer option. Before that, we can check this website is approved or not with Google AdSense. First check, come into this option, sites. The name is called fourseasonswim.com. Select it. In this, select by here. Check this. So everything will be checked by your option. So it will be showing for in this, not in your site. So first of all, select your site, add your site, select it. Don't use this option. Next, copy. First you can run to your Google AdSense. Copy this one. Just go to your site. fourseasonswim.com/cpanel. So the site will be already approved by your website. Select your login. Go to file manager. The option call is public underscore HTML. Select your main website. Edit. Edit. The code you enter by the header one. Go to header part. Select your and save changes. After that, submit. Everything done. Set up your ads. Will be showing for web ad and new ads. Set by web ad. Select your option. Add your website here. Done. Now here, add URL. Everything will be here. Already is there. Now click for next. All ad will be eligible. How many ads will be there? Text and display, in feed, in article, matched content, anchor ads, and widget ads. Next. Ready. Finally, save. Ad will be create. Now coming to go to sites. Is going to getting ready. So it will be up to finish. Now You can show this ad will be footer purpose. Simple. Go to your ads option, select your ad, go to ad unit. I'm clicking for stick ad. So after approval, automatic ad will show into your website. So in this one, select any one ad. I'm selecting for text with the image. Get code. Always selecting for responsive ad is the most important. Select here, apply code, go to code, add your code, select Control A and Control C and go to your website. The option is called any one page you can go. So I can go for edit. You're adding for total your footer part. Where? Footer part. Any stick ad will be placed on your footer part. Select it. Before any script, add here, add your division, add your save changes. When approve this site, our ad will showing for footer will be stick ad. But I show you to the particular website will be approved website. You can go to this one, check for close, and go to my sites. I'm checking by already approved website. In this anyone you can select it here. So back. So I'm selecting for seasonswim.com. The fourth season, that will be seasonswim.com. Select it. Existing C panel will be closed. So right now anywhere, no ad for strictly. So the ad will be creating for anywhere. So I'm creating for gallery option. Where I'm creating for gallery option. Just I'm showing for where gallery page. Any page your wish. Where you can select by any page your wish. Select C panel. Login. Copy the total code. Select your file manager. Which page? I'm selecting for gallery page. Public under HTML. Now in this select by the gallery page. Edit. Edit. The code will place by the footer part. Save. Change. You can go with the 3 refresh. 3 refresh will come into ad will appear by the your site. They're showing for in this option. So have to wait. So still is waiting for activation. The code is happened. So we'll adding for division. After we can wait for a few seconds. After a few seconds, see the ad. Is it clear? This will be when anything will be scrolling, ad will be common. It's clear? This will be strictly ad. And very important one is called your dynamic website. It will be dynamic website. Dynamic will be common footer will be there. Static will be different. Dynamic will be different. Static will be individual page you can add the code, but dynamic will be common footer will be there. Common footer will be there. That is called. So right now I'm not showing for any ad. The footer will be strict ad. So go to cPanel. Click for File Manager. Copy the as is code. Here two options always remember. Static will be ad will be closed individual pages. Dynamic will be add your code will be common page, header or footer. But ad will showing for always footer. If you add the header, the ad will showing for header. If you add the footer, showing for footer. So most if they showing for footer, don't show the header. Public underscore HTML. Go into application. Now click for views. I'm searching for footer.php. I'm at the code. Few seconds. Ad will be added. Now click for save changes. Exactly. We can go to the new tab. Click for search. Any ad coding on your particular website, you can go for 3 refreshes mandatory. 3 to 5 refresh. Select your refresh, and select your refresh. We'll come into here. Refreshing. So any kind of script code will take some time. So have to wait for some time to activate your code. Any code will be placed by totally strict to particular website. Any static, any dynamic will be more. Any will be strict code. The code will be uploaded by the my website to the blog option. Rocketexplosion.com/blogs. Total videos are there along with the code also will be there. Check the code and you can maintain by the Blogger and WordPress. And final one. So this code we can add by how to add the bloggers. This will be simple. We go for bloggers. Simple we go for bloggers. Coming to layout. In this is select by the your footer one. Add the gadget. Add the gadget. HTML by JavaScript. Place the code. Click for save. They're showing for like this. Refresh. Any people coming to a blogger, they show you for standard strict ad. So coming to this. They're uploading here. This will be ad. Is it clear? It's supported by the static website, dynamic, blogger, and up to WordPress. What we're using for AdSense plugin to add by footer or header. This will be very important by the particular option.